Uh, Hi guys, welcome back. We are at it again. Um, we're at Lac du Bonny, and we're trying to do a practice for the upcoming derby. So hopefully it turns out well. We only have like a few hours to finish. So join us, okay? So we came out here to do practice. In 2 weeks time, it will be the derby proper. So we're just checking out the water, which part is ideal to fish. Uh, of course, come here, Maven. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Okay, so we're still checking the water. Uh, we are really looking into it. So yeah, just looking at the live scope.
Mike, structure talaga, hindi siya kwan.
Ano?
Structure mismo.
What means?
Ayan. Yan duck na eh. Kung ano man meron dyan sa ilalim na yan, ba't may ganyan?
Let's go.
200 steps siguro. Wala naman maganda na pa tayo, Mike.
Yeah.
Yung drop off, ito na yung drop off na tinignan natin kanina.
Too many structures underwater, so we have to move like further. Saan ba to? Further up north? East. We're going eastward.
Saan tayo? Eastward?
It's so spot is full of structures. So yeah. Tayo, 200 steps daw. 200 steps. Yeah. Okay. New spot. Let's try it.
Nandun sa tilaw. Hindi, pero kinumpihin sa buhay mo. Wala pa. Hindi pa ako naglalagay. Nagkano pa lang ako. Nag-experience pa lang ako. Try another one.
Muna natin tong si Team.
Gugulog ka.
So yeah. This one with a piece of minnow. Let's see. Nahayaan ko na nga lang sa ilalim eh. Sige nga, testing tayo iba. Mukhang kailangan mag-downsize. Ayaw yata ng malaki. Ha? Teka lang, teka lang. Daw? Oh. Going with the tungsten, the meathead. So trying to do like every 10 minutes palit. This is my first time with this setup. Ngayon lang po ito. First time setting this up like this. Oh, yan. There's so much space pala talaga. Yeah, I put the camera right there. Yung butas nandun, so yung mat nandito sa backside. Yeah. Look. Table, may ano. Yeah, I can like put 4 more holes here. Yeah. Oy, first time kong ginamit. Ay, hindi pala. Second time na pala. Yeah. My ice fishing setup, except for this one. Nakapulot ako ng popper. Yeah.
We are at the lake.
No, you at work.
I'm not at work. Sa draw. No. Eksakto mundo. Siya. Angat na natin to.
I'm gonna give away all my stuff.
So that concludes it. Practice lang naman eh. So we
One
just
condition,
tried
the guy that I
to
will give it to will not go fishing anymore.
see what the structure here, how deep. But no marks whatsoever. No activity whatsoever. So ganun talaga. Let's see what happens on the derby. So see you next time. Thank you for coming with us.